Have you ever wondered how long it takes to recover the cost of an investment? It's a question that's likely crossed your mind, especially if you've ever dabbled in the world of finance. The answer to that question lies in the concept of a payback period. The payback period is the period of time it takes to recoup the cost of an investment. In other words, it's the time it takes for an investment to reach a point where it's neither gaining nor losing money, but sits perfectly balanced on the break-even point. This concept is crucial for both individuals and corporations, since the primary goal of any investment is to get paid back, and preferably with a profit. The payback period is a key player in this game, acting as a yardstick to measure the attractiveness of an investment. The shorter the payback period, the quicker the investment pays for itself, and the more attractive it becomes. To calculate the payback period, one needs to divide the initial investment by the average cash inflows. This simple formula can be quite handy in helping investors make informed decisions, especially when time is of the essence. Let's paint a clearer picture with an example. Suppose you decided to install solar panels at your home, costing you a total of $5,000. Each month, these panels help you save $100 on your electricity bill. By dividing your initial investment by your monthly savings, you find that it would take roughly 4.2 years to recover your initial investment. This is your payback period. In the grand scheme of things, a payback period of 4.2 years is considered pretty good. For comparison, it can take anywhere between 9 to 10 years for residential homeowners in the United States to break even on their investment in solar panels. In summary, the payback period is a simple yet powerful tool for evaluating the profitability of an investment. It provides a clear-cut timeline for when an investment will start to pay for itself. The shorter the payback period, the more attractive the investment. By understanding the payback period, you hold a key piece of the puzzle in making sound financial decisions.